Hi viewers, welcome to Rasavinsuvai. Today I am going to make beetroot rice, beetroot pulao we can say. For that I have taken 1/3 cup of rice. I have soaked for 20 minutes, sorry 30 minutes. Now a small beetroot I have cut into small cubes and kept here. Corn and green peas, onion, one small onion I have taken, and star anise, Patha, Dalchini, Ilaichi, Lavang. For the children, you can add little bit of dry fruits like Cashew and Badam, Kismis. Jeera, if you have Shai Jeera, you can put that. Salt, ginger garlic paste. Now here I have put 1 teaspoon of ghee and 1 teaspoon of oil in the cooker. Add the whole masala in it. Add jeera. Add a ginger garlic paste in it. Now add the onion. Saute this for few seconds. It is translucent. Now add the vegetables in it. You can add potato, beans also. Now, saute this for 2 minutes. Now, I have drained the water from the rice and kept ready. And I have hot water in the flask now. 2 times of water we have to add in this. Salt according to taste. Add the rice. Salt. After adding the rice also, saute for 2 minutes. I am adding 2.5 cup of water. A slightly soft rice I want. If you want dry rice, you can add only 2 cups of water for 1 cup rice. Bring this to boil. Cover and cook for 1 whistle in medium-high heat. After 1 whistle, lower the heat and let it remain in the gas for 5 minutes. I kept it only for 3 minutes, then I switched off the gas. The beetroot pulao is ready. We'll transfer this into a bowl. If you have mint leaves and coriander leaves, you can add that also. It will give a good flavor to the pulao. The pulao after the one whistle with 3 minutes in low flame was perfect. Thank you so much for watching the video. This can be served along with any kind of raita, papad. If you are watching my channel for the first time, do subscribe and press the bell icon and all, so that you will get the notifications as soon as I upload the video. Eat healthy, stay healthy. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, bye bye.